morning. My name is V.S. Pranav Sai and I am from 6th standard. Today I am from Narayana Techno School, Ambattur branch. Today I am going to explain about the topic distillation. So what is distillation? Distillation is a process that is used in many countries in which there is a scarcity of water. This process is used to purify the water. Now let's see the definition of distillation. Definition. Distillation is a process of conversion of a liquid into gaseous state on boiling and then recondensing the gas so formed into gaseous state in another vessel is called distillation. Now let's see the process of distillation. Take a conical flask, pour muddy water into the conical flask, use heat using the Bunsen burner, the water vapor arises from the impure solution, place a cork on the top of the conical flask, use a thermometer to monitor the temperature of the boiling liquid. Now connect a Limas condenser to the conical flask. These water vapors passes through the Limas condenser and get condensed. We will get result as pure water. We have to collect this pure water and this pure water is called distilled water. Now let's see the brief explanation about distillation. Required materials: impure muddy water, distilling flask with thermometer, Limas condenser with stand, beaker, rubber cork or tubing, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, stand with clamp and basin filled with sand. Now let's see the procedure of distillation. Estimated experiment time is approximately 2 hours. Now let's see the step-by-step procedure. Pour the muddy water into the distilling flask. Use the stand to hold the flask in its place, supported by the tripod stand. Place the burner below this. Connect the spout of the distilling flask to one end of the Limas condenser. Position the Limas condenser using its stand so that it slopes downwards slightly. Its spout other end must open directly above the beaker. Bring the muddy water to a boil and collect the condensed liquid for observation. Note: place the distilling flask in a sand basin before heating it. This will prevent from vigorous boiling and damage thereof to the apparatus. Use the thermometer to monitor the temperature of the boiling liquid. The Limas condenser is an integral part of the simple distillation process. It consists of two concentric layers of glass, of which the outer layer has air vents that facilitate the cooling of the inner glass tube. This in turn allows condensation of liquid to take place within it. Now let's see the observation. The condensed liquid that gets collected in the beaker is clear as well as tasteless and odorless. Now let's see the result. Pure and clear water can be obtained from an impure solution by simple distillation process. In this process, the impure solution is heated so as to turn it into water vapor. This is later condensed in a Limas condenser to form pure water. Hence, distillation is one of the most complete methods of purifying water. Health effects. Distillation removes all minerals from water. This results in demineralized water which has not been healthier than drinking water. Water is precious, so save water. I am very proud to be a little teacher in front of you all because Dr. Abdul Kalam told in a meeting that teaching is a very noble profession that shape the character and future of an individual. He also said that if the people remember him as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for him. Thank you.
Yeah, 1 minute. This Abdul Kalam thing you again say the last part, okay?
I am very proud to be a little teacher in front of you all because Dr. Abdul Kalam once told in a meeting that teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character and future of an individual. He also said that if the people remember him as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for him. Thank you.